you can still use free AI tools to achieve your needed result. By this, I mean creating videos with good and high quality. Grow with Mimi created this one using this free tool. Want to watch and learn? Before we continue, please do well to like, subscribe, share, and comment.
This is one question that many content creators have asked me over time. They are always like, Grow with Mimi, how were you able to use Google Flow to generate your images? Like for free, how were you able to use Google Flow to generate your videos for free? So guys, if this sounds like a video you would love to watch, this is me telling you to watch it, and I will show you how I have been doing this over time. So first of all, I do go over to a browser. I don't use any browser of my choice. So this is it. Once I come over to my browser, I will type Flow AI Google. Flow AI Google. So this is it. I'll go ahead and click on this first one. As I clicked on the first one, it begins to load. Now that it is done loading, it has brought me to this interface. So the very first thing I'll have to show you, like right now, is my credits, is a number of credits that I have. So here I'll go ahead and click on my profile. I have clicked on my profile, and here I have 985 Google Flow credits already. Now why I'm having just 985 is because I've used it before to create videos. Like I've used it before. So after showing you how to create videos using Google Flow, I will show you how to get this number of credits or even more than this for free. So at this point, all I will do now is for me to go ahead and click on new project. Now I have gone ahead to click on new project, and as it's loading, you just have to wait for it to get downloading. So here it says, what do you want to create? So if you look here, if you click on this arrow here, this settings. So this is my settings. This is what I use all the time. I'm always using 16:9. This is because I create more of 16:9 kind of content. So you may want to put it in 4, you may want to put it in 1, you may want to put it in 2 or 3. So for my aspect ratio, this is what I use by default to generate my videos. So whatever, you may want to save it, you may want to leave it. So I'll come back here. So the very first thing I'll do is for me to generate my image. So image generation is what I'll be doing first. That's what I will be doing first. So here, let me get my prompt. I'll come over here for my prompt. This is it. Here is my prompt. Let's generate our image first. So after getting my prompt, I'll come back to Google Flow. I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. I have pasted my prompt. So at this point, I'll go ahead and hit this generate. Now that I've clicked on generate, it is beginning to generate. Like it's telling me visualizing Geneko. So let's just wait for it to get done. Okay, so after the whole visualization and all of that, it is now generating 4 images for me. Now if you're someone who have been watching my videos over time, I do tell us in my videos why I love generating 4 images at a go. This is because like it gives me the leverage to choose. You understand? So if you're generating just one image, you'll be stuck at that. Like you'll be forced to use that particular one, whether you like it or not. But this one, once it generates 4 or more, we are gonna choose. So this is it, beautiful ladies here. This is it, guys. So the lady is looking so beautiful. So personally, I think I love this one. They're looking so classic. So let's make this image to talk. So I'll go ahead and click on it. As I clicked on it, it shows animate. So at this point, I'll go ahead and click on this animate. Now as I clicked on animate, if you check here, it is asking me what I want to create. So all I will do now is for me to go ahead and copy my prompt. Watch me, guys. So here I'll go ahead and copy my prompt. I have my prompt already written down. That's because I don't want to waste your time. So I'll come here and then paste my prompt. Now I have pasted my prompt. All I will do next is for me to go ahead and hit this generate. Now I've gone ahead to hit generate, and if you check here, I don't know if you guys can see this. If you check here, it is already beginning to do the stuff for me. Now at this point, it is now telling me that I should. So here it says, would you like me to kick off this one video generation costing 15 credits? So here it says approve, here it says approve, do not ask again, here it says reject. So what I will do now is for me to go ahead and click on approve, do not ask again. Now I have gone ahead to click on approve, do not ask again, and if you check here, you notice that my video is generating. Now this is one mistake that most persons do make. When generating their video, they may want to close the browser, go do something else and all of that. Now if you close your browser to go and do something else, when you come back, it will tell you that it was unable to generate. It will just give you one excuse. You understand? But the good thing I like about Google Flow is that if it gives you excuse, if it was unable to generate your video, it will definitely return your credit. Now at this point, I know most of you will be like, okay, but it did not generate for you for free, you were charged 15 credits. Don't worry, remember what I told you guys earlier, that I will show you how to get the credit, so you have nothing to worry about. So this is the video, guys. The video is ready. This is my video. In order for me to save it, I'll just go ahead and click on it again. After clicking on it, these symbols, like these options are here. I'll then go ahead and click on download. Now if you highlight this download, you will see, if you want it to be, you see the pixels, you see 270 pixel, you see 720, which is the original size, you will see 1080, which is upscale. So personally, I want to use 720, or you want to use 720, which is the original size. 720 is not bad. 720 is not bad. So I went ahead to click on it, and it did not even waste time. Look at my video here. This is the first one I generated, this is the second one I generated. Now if I wanted to say the next line of whatever thing I wanted to say, I'll just come back. Where is my Google Docs? Okay, so I'll come back here. I'll go ahead and copy, and I'll come back here. I'll click on the image again. You see animate. Now I've clicked on animate again. Here I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. Now I've pasted my prompt. I'll go ahead and hit generate. Now let me tell you something. In a situation where you want to create a movie, you want to create, you understand, like African folktale and all of that, once you generate your image, you go ahead and animate it. Like, I think Google Flow is one of the simplest AI tool that you can use to generate your videos and all of that. You understand? So like right now, this one is already 11%. It's almost done animating for me. Once it is done animating, then I will show you how to get your free credit. Okay, so the video is here already, no room for long talk. I'll go ahead and click on it again. I'll go ahead and click on download. I'll go ahead and use 720p. So I've used 720p. Now in order for you to get more credit, so that you can go ahead to generate your content using Google Flow, if you look up here, you will see this, your profile. You see your profile. Now once you click on your profile, can you see now my credit has reduced, like it's now 955. Trust me, there are persons with over this number of credits. So what I will do now is going to go ahead and click on manage membership. Now I went ahead to click on manage membership, and it brought me to this interface. Here he says manage your Google One membership. Now if you scroll down, like right now, you see monthly. Now here we have seen monthly, here we have seen monthly. This particular package goes for 44,500. This one is not for you. Like, it's big, I know it's big, while this other one goes for 89,000 naira, is also big. This one goes for 9,900. Now I know most of you will be like, it's still very high, it's still very high. Calm down. I don't know how they do it, but trust me, it is cheaper with some devices. It is cheaper with some Google accounts. So this is me doing it with my laptop. Now, exercise patience. Let me show you this same thing using my phone. Like, let me switch to my phone, switch to another Google account of mine. You'll see that it is cheaper here. So before you go ahead to even buy, ensure that you have used different Google accounts to check which is cheaper, so that you won't cheat yourself. You understand? So come with me, please. Let me show you what I mean.
Hey guys, so this is Google Flow, and I'm using my phone. So all I will do now is for me to look up here. I'll go ahead and click on this, my profile. I have clicked on my profile, and here it says that I have 50 Google Flow credits. 50 Google Flow free credits, and it refreshes daily. So meaning that if I exhaust this 50, if I come back tomorrow, I will still get another 50. But that's not what we want, right? So all I will do now is for me to go ahead and click on this upgrade. Now I have gone ahead to click on upgrade, and it is loading. So it has brought me to this interface. Now if you look at this place, if you look at this interface, it says upgrade for more access to Google Flow. Remember what we got when I used my laptop. Now this is what I am getting now that I am using my phone. It says Google AI Plus. This one is 1,950 naira. 1,950 naira. So this is how much I'll be paying for 3 months before they will upgrade it to 7,700. Guys, 3 months is a long period of time. It is a long period of time. So this is the storage you'll be given, 400 GB storage. So let's just leave that one, because I'm not really interested in this Google AI Plus. This is the one I am interested in, this Google AI Pro. This Google AI Pro is what I am interested in. So this one will give you 5 terabyte storage. So this particular one is 7,100 naira. 7,100 naira. So it should be 28,500. This is how much it should be. I don't know if you can still recall, when I was using my laptop, it was 28,500. No, it was 44,500. Can you recall? So you can pay 7,100 for 3 months. After 3 months, you can now start paying 28,000. But trust me, before you will exhaust that 3 months, trust me, like, there will be other ways, like other alternatives. You understand? So if you scroll down, you see this one, the Ultra, for 89,000 naira per month. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to go over to your phone. You can compare. You can as well switch from one email account to another email account to check which is cheaper. Trust me, it is better than Grok. Like, it is cheaper than Grok. Trust me, it is better than Grok. Imagine using about 50,000 naira to subscribe to Grok, and at the end of the day, it's still showing you shege. So I think this one is even better. Let me know if you subscribe to this. Let me know if you buy this idea. Let me know if you'll be using Google AI Pro. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.